Oh, sige. Ayos na.
So, Mitch, Sir Mitch, gusto mo you introduce yourself?
Oh, sure. I am Mitch Feldman, and today I am just the organizer of this event. I have a very varied background. I spent almost 3 years in the Philippines in Zamboanga del Norte in Piñan a long time ago, and then I worked in banking. Then I got a master's degree in teaching English as a second language, and I now teach adult English language learners um, as my second career after banking. So I'm delighted to hear all about the work that you've all done related to critical thinking and numeracy. And perhaps, Wang, the best way to start is to talk about what the objectives were for your workshop, and then Mylene can talk about some of the outcomes and what you've learned from those experiences and what more you would like to learn. So with that, Mom Wang, I will let you give an overview of the workshops that began this process.
Okay. I'm forced to turn on my video because it's hard for people to listen when they can't see who's talking, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Good morning, teachers. May sakit ang lola nyo. Ang sama ng katawan ko talaga. Now, where is everyone? Ba't hindi ko nakikita ang video? I-gallery view kaya natin, Sir Mitch?
Oh, sige.
Ma'am Sor, ikaw po ba ang designated representative ni Ma'am Gwen? Bakit wala po siya?
Um, she told me earlier po na mag-in po siya. Hindi ko rin po alam kung bakit wala po siya for now. Baka ano po, baka she's trying, baka ano lang po sa internet.
Oh, yeah, um, she told me the same thing. So, mag-roll call muna tayo. And then I'll talk about the objectives of the workshop that we did, Sir Mitch.
Okay.
So, and then let me quickly introduce Sir Duran. Sir Duran, Ma'am Mylene, Ma'am Ara, magkakasama sila doon. Overnight sila sa training, no? So, and who is the other one we're waiting for, Ma'am Mylene? Si Ma'am Lot ba yun? Inaantay natin?
Yes, friend na po, ma'am.
Ma'am, we're already here,
Nakapasok
ma'am.
na po siya.
Okay. So, si Sir Duran ay IT person. Technology po ang in charge, hinahandle niya. Sa the same school, Malinaw, most of the teachers here are from Malinaw Elementary School, Central School. Central, as differentiated from elementary, it's bigger, right? It's in the kind of like the center of the town, and so the population is bigger too. They have 600 students, right? And then Ma'am Ara is teaching. Ma'am Ara, tell us what you teach.
I teach science po.
Science. Siya pala yung dapat isama natin dun sa program sa science. And then Ma'am Sheena, tell us what you teach. Are you still in a grade 2 class?
Grade 4 po, ma'am. I'm teaching MAPE, APP, and also in grade 5, AP, Araling Panlipunan.
All right. MAPE is Music, Arts, Physical Education, Sir Mitch. And EP is Edukasyong Pagpakatao. Is that values?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't give Sir Mitch all those acronyms. MAPE, EP.
Sumpang ko ngayon ng EP.
I know. Katono ng EPs. Ma'am Lot, tell us who you are.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm teaching mathematics in 3 sections in grade 4.
Wait, 3 sections? 3 classes ba yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Isa lang napuntahan natin, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Si Ma'am Lot, Sir Mitch, Ma'am Lot was the one who really pursue the teaching of multiplication in a different way. The children are not memorizing the table, right, Ma'am Lot? Kamusta na po sila? Mute ka, ma'am.
Every time I reviewed it, ma'am, I give an activities every week so that they can always remember the process.
Aling process yung
Yung i-breakdown yung mga according to their place value. Kasi minsan nalilimutan nila, ma'am.
nalilimutan nila yon?
Yes, ma'am.
Ibig sabihin we need
Retention is low.
but they know how to say, okay, this
Yes,
is broken up into place values like tens and ones.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then, Ma'am Gemma.
Yes po, ma'am.
Introduce po.
Hi, I'm Gemma V. Velasquez, a grade 2 teacher at Malinaw Central Elementary School, Banisila North District. I'm teaching all subjects po.
Nasaan ka na po sa math, ma'am?
Sa Banasilan.
Opo. Banisila North District.
Oo.
Okay, Ma'am Zor. Mute, ma'am. Grabe ang aking ilong. Ma'am Zor, you're muted. We can't hear you.
Sorry. So, good morning, everyone. I'm Zorhaida Rica Blanca Reyes po. I'm teaching English both in a research in senior high school, and I have already had my master's degree and currently finishing my dissertation.
Mayo mana.
Yes.
Tapos si Ma'am Mylene, she'll introduce herself before she does the presentation. Okay, Ma'am May? Si Ma'am May, ang aking BFF. Siya po ang nag-alaga sa akin nung nakatira kami sa Banisilan. But and she's really a hard worker. All the other teachers can attest. Talaga pong siya yung manager. So, okay, mga teachers, I will just very quickly touch on what was it that we tried to achieve. Number one is a different way to teach math. Di po ba? Agree po ba kayo lahat doon? Oy, nawala silang lahat. Paano ba yan?
Yes po, Ma'am Wen.
Yes po.
Okay.
We're here, ma'am.
Yun ang focus ng ating 10 araw na workshop, training, kasama ang LAC sessions, kasama ang celebration of learning. That we learn, Sir Mitch, Ma'am, Dr. Mace is trying to come in.
Oh, okay.
You can just
Ma'am,
listen.
excuse po, is Ma'am Yvonne already in? Sabi niya po
Nasaan
nakapasok
siya?
na po daw siya.
Wala pa.
Sabi niya, Ma'am, nakapasok na daw po siya.
Hindi ko siya makita sa names, sa list ng participants. Not unless nandun siya kasama ni na Sir Duran. Sir Duran?
Wala po siya doon.
Wala? So wala pa siya. Anyway, we'll ask her to introduce herself when she gets in, okay po? Sir Mitch, nasan si Dr. Mace?
Oh, here. I'll just forward it again.
Okay. I can take it off for now. Maureen, I can take it off for now. It's full. Okay, so where was I? So the focus was to introduce to the teachers mainly the Singapore math philosophy. Not necessarily it's a way to teach math that borrows the philosophy of Singapore math. So it's not exactly Singapore math. Kasi nakita niyo naman, pahapyaw tayo, di ba? And we started with the basics, which I was hoping, sino yung pumasok? Si Ma'am Sheila. So we started with the basics, with the kindergarten students, right? The foundation, which is mainly the use of 10 frames. So, isinama natin yung grade hanggang grade 2 kasi nga wala silang foundation nun, hindi nila alam ang ibig sabihin ng 7. 'Di ba? Ang 7 sa kanila yung abstract symbol of the digit 7. So, si Ma'am Gemma use the 10 frames as well kahit na siya ay nasa grade 2. Pero lagpas na kayo doon sa 10 frames, ano Ma'am Gemma? Nagawa niyo na po yung matching ng abstract digits, yung numbers. And then, yun pong ima-match sila dun sa 10 frames. Tama po ba yan, Ma'am Gemma? Nandun na kayo sa paggamit ng digits?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay. Same way with Ma'am Lot. They're not using 10 frames anymore. But Sir Duran introduced 10 frames. Hindi, place value. So you did the digits, right, Sir Duran? Can you tell us what you did?
Hello, ma'am. I use digit cards po for grade 6 po.
For grade 6. And what was the competency, Sir Duran? Ano yung ina-assess o tinuturo mo sa mga bata? Using the...
Place value,
Okay.
even and odd numbers also, ma'am.
Okay. So basic ano po yun, ano, Sir Duran?
Yes, ma'am.
Basic number system, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or understanding of number sense, basically, ano? How do
Yes.
you build numbers? You know. And then, Ma'am Ara, ano po yung competency sa'yo?
I place value din po. Then I use the base 10 blocks to teach to review the grade 6 pictures about place value.
Okay. Place value. And then, hi, Ma'am Yvonne. Ma'am Sheila, hi. Ma'am Sheila po ang school head. Kilala niyo na siya, di ba, Sir Mitch? Nasaan si Ma'am Sheila? Wala sa screen ko.
Maing buntag, Ma'am Sheila. Kumusta? Sige. Ma'am Wang, you froze.